and please subscribe our channel, support, and give any comments. If you have any question, I will make a video. This is also a requested video to make this video in English. Welcome to the daily survey gets. Today I discuss the SDR file to Excel and the Excel file to SDR file. Okay, we have the SDR file which I have copied from the total station. This one, the SDR file. So we have to convert this uh, data, this SDR file to Excel, and then we have file. We need this empty file. When we make this file empty file, then we have to open this data SDR file, and we will click anywhere here and Control A to select all the data, and then Control C to copy this data, and we will go to the Excel file which we made now for the data, and we will copy this data in the first row and first column by Control V. Now this data is here, but this data is in one column. So in one column, and also this is the job detail. This is the job detail. When we make any job in the total station or any GPS or machine, this is the job data. So we have to delete these columns from your data. Delete these columns. So now how we will separate this data. This is the point number, easting, northing, and elevation and code. So how we can separate this data? For this, first you need to know that where is my easting start and where is my northing starts. So here, if you see the P001, and you see the next point P002, 03, P04, P05, P06, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we know that P001 is the point name, and then 2615, 2615, this is same. So the 2615, 924 is northing, because northing is 7 digits or 1 digit more than easting. Here, then after point, this is 3 digits, and then 000, it's mean. Here this 00 mean is space, and then the 7750, 775025, this 6 digit is easting, and then 0.237 after the point. Okay, this is the part of the easting, and then 00 mean it's space or comma or tab, and then this is the 119 is the level, and then 00 is the space or comma. This SDR file, you will see the 00, it's mean column is the limit. Here the 00, this is the limit. Here the 00, this is the limit. Okay, and MD is the code. So we need to separate these columns. For this, we need to go to in the top menu bar in data, and in the data you will see this icon text to column. We will click here. Now here it's depend on your data. If your data is like, if you have CSV file, this automatically comes to the column, but if not coming, then you have to click. If your file is CSV or comma delimiter or text file, any other file, any other format, if it's DR, then it's good to fix it. But if you have any other file, then you have to click this delimited and next. But now we will go with this fixed width, because this is fixed width. SDR file is a fixed width. You can see here is the same space, same distance. Okay, fixed width, and click next. When we click next, sorry, we didn't selected this cell. First you must need to select this cell, all data, then click here. Okay, now fixed width selected, and next. Now I already told you that the P001 is the point name. So if I click now here before 26, now 26 is same, it means this is nothing digits. So the 2, all the 2 before 2 I need a line. So I will click here, left click here, and here a line will appear. So you can see here a line appear, it means it's separated. So after this point we need 3 digits after a line. So click here after 9 and before 0. So you will see this line. This is line limitation, and also from 77, before 77 I will click one more, and here after point, after 3 digits I will click again. So this is the point name that we need, and this is the northing, this is the easting. And if you need the level, then you need also to click here after 170 to click. Okay, this is the level, and MD19 the code is already separated. So next and finish. Okay, the data is already separated. Now we don't need this column, delete this column, and then this is the point number, this is the easting, this is the northing. This column we don't need, delete this column and delete this column, and now also we don't need this column. Okay, now this is the point number, this is the northing, this is easting, and these are the levels, and these are the codes. Okay, for some devices we need the easting first, and for oftenly we need the easting first and northing after. So for that you have to select this and cut this from here, paste here, and also cut this one and paste here, and then again Control X and V. Now the first is easting, this is northing, and this is level. So this is separated on this way. Now you can save this data as CSV or as a text. Now I am going to save as a text the point number, easting, northing, level, and codes. Now I am going to save as a text, and then I will save as a CSV file. In current folder I have to save this as a text. Now this text data you can also use for total station. Okay, the text what, cancel, save as in current folder where you want. I want to save in the current folder. Okay, here give a name, SDR2. I have to write here text file, SDR2 text, and here you have to select the text which one you need. I need this one, text tab delimited. This one also you can use in the total station, text tab delimited for the Sokia, and maybe for other total station but now I am saving this as a text data. Okay, text tab data, save. Do you want, you must have to click here yes, because the file we saved will not save if we click here now. Yes, we have a file SDR. This one is the text file. Now how we can convert this text file to, I have to edit this name. This is a text file. Text file. How we can convert this text file to the SDR file, and also I have to save this as a CSV. You can also from here as CSV, save as in current folder, and save as CSV comma delimited. I have to save this CSV comma delimited, and here I will change the name CSV comma. You can give any name as you want. I have to yes, click yes, and then cross. Do not save this one, the same folder. Now we have the CSV comma delimited file. From X we have also the Excel file, and we have also the text file. From SDR we convert it to the Excel, then we save this as a text also, and save as a comma delimited CSV. Now if you don't have this file, I have to delete this. If you don't have this SDR file, how you will convert this file to this data to the SDR? So for this we need this Sokia link. I have the Sokia link. I will give a link for this Sokia software in the description. You can download, it's free. So when you download this, this will be a zip file like this one. You will find this like Sokia link like this, a zip file. Then when you open, you will receive these both. When you click, you will install this one, then you will see as SDR to Excel. Then you will see as when you install this, you will get this shortcut. When you open this, you must register. I installed this first time, that I can show you how you can register this file. Okay, register using SDR file. Now register XYZ, copy, and outside in USB. Paste. Now Sokia link, register with using SDR file. D, you have to select that your USB you have attached. Okay, now this is come. Disable data, not showing. In this folder now it's selected. Open file. Okay, so click here for registration. When you open this Sokia link. Yes. Okay. Now we need to convert this Excel or comma delimited file to the SDR file. How we will convert? For that, you have to install this Sokia link. This link is in the description. When you will download this link, you will see this folder. You will see this folder is open in new window. Okay. You will receive two folders. One is for installation, the other one is the XYZ file. So when you install this one and double click here, you must register. This option will come. You have to OK and register using SDR file. And from here you have to select USB. This file, when you download, you must have to keep this in the USB and connect your USB with the laptop, with your computer. So these two folder, when you download and extract these two folder outside and use in your USB, and then in your USB you have to select here your USB. Here, this is USB. This all is my USB, but the file is in this folder. That's why when I click here, this come, this XYZ, click here and open file. So registration is completed. So now OK, must have to OK new project or anyone. Now from here you have to uh, import the data from it's need this Sokia link need text file. For the text file, you have to click here, and now here the data you importing here must you must know that what format is you saved in your text. Like here I saved this format, the point number, P number, and then this is the easting, and this is the northing, and this is the level, and this code. So you must know that how is my format is. Like PT is the numbering, easting, northing, elevation, code, and tab. Now you remember I saved this as a tab. This is tab. This space is like this is a tab. So I saved this text data as tab delimited. So uh, you must have to select easting, northing, Z, code, and tab. If you save any other format, you must need to select that format. Like you see, northing is first, easting is after here, and same code tab. Here you see nothing first, but the space here is the space delimited, like a space somewhere comma. Now I saved this text file as tab, and easting is first and nothing after Z and code. So open data, and I saved this my folder, this text data in survey, survey, and F in survey, here is the folder YouTube English. You must need, if your file is not showing, so you need to click here and select all. This is not the same folder, so survey SDR to Excel to SDR in this file. So this is the file I have, which one I saved before. Text file, we select and open. So this is come here, northing. You must have to check this northing easting here. If you check this is opposite, then your data will be opposite and it will not work in your total station. Okay, so here this 2615924, this is 7 digits and it's okay. The northing and easting is 7750256 digit and this is easting, it's okay. And code is in code station -1. This is the format. Elevation is in the elevation, easting, north is on the PT is PT. It means correct, and export. Now you can save this file as SDR, as CSV, as text file, as XLS file printout. From here you have to select. Now you must know that which format is working in your total station. Like in Sokia and many total station, it's supporting the SDR 333. And how you will know this? When you copy your folder, when you copy from your total station, you will know there will come, when you copying this, there will come option SDR 333. So I am selecting this SDR 333 and okay. Now it's asking for the folder, that where do you want to save this folder. So I will give location in survey. I will give location for this folder where I want to save SDR to Excel. This is SDR file and I will save, and this is saved as SDR file. You can see here, this is the SDR file. Here this detail is for the job. This the job detail. It make automatically that the total station, any total station you importing this data from here, that it will work. It's automatically this Sokia link makes. Okay, so this is the method. This is the SDR to Excel and Excel to SDR. So thank you for watching. So thank you.